Hi, my name is Diana Saumet. This is my travel itinerary. Introduction of the place. Isla Verde is a true paradise located in Philadelphia in the middle of the Ciénaga de Pijiño in the Magdalena region. When you arrive at this paradisaical place, you will not want to return. You will be able to enjoy its pleasant breeze, fauna and flora in addition to a warm climate of approximately. Travel time. Day 1. Know the place. Day 2. Enjoy the port and the kiosk where you can read in half Gemels. Day 3. Wildlife fauna supplement. Transport. Land and river. Activities to do. You can watch the star on a romantic night next to campfire, play pool, perform yoga outdoors. Place to stay. We have a skill where you can stay. After you leave, you can get to Pijiño, which have excellent hotels. Typical meal. You can enjoy a delicious catfish in sauce with some concob micheladas. Cost. The cost of one day plus sleep is $3.50.